Margaret Mee was born in Chesham Bois, Buckinghamshire, England, on 23 May 1909. Her early life, spent in the idyllic English countryside, instilled in her a deep love for nature that would shape her entire life's work. Her family, though not wealthy, fostered an appreciation for art and the natural world. Her mother, a keen gardener, nurtured a love of plants in young Margaret, a passion that would blossom into a lifelong dedication to the study and artistic representation of botanical life. These formative years, filled with the sights and smells of the English countryside, laid the groundwork for her future explorations in the vibrant, exotic landscapes of the Amazon rainforest. Her artistic talent was evident early on, receiving encouragement from her family and teachers. This early encouragement would prove crucial in her development as both a botanist and a celebrated artist. Her formal education included art classes, where she honed her skills in botanical illustration. This training, combined with her innate talent and passion for nature, created a unique foundation for her later work. She pursued her artistic interests, participating in art exhibitions and developing her distinctive style. However, her artistic ambitions were not solely confined to the studio. A deep fascination with the natural world spurred her on to explore beyond the familiar landscapes of her youth. This inherent curiosity and drive for exploration would eventually lead her to the Amazon, a journey that would define her life and legacy. Marriage and family life presented both joys and challenges. While details about her personal life remain relatively private, it's clear that family responsibilities did not diminish her artistic drive. Instead, they provided a context for her work, enriching her understanding of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of environmental stewardship. This understanding would become a powerful force in her later advocacy for the preservation of the Amazon rainforest. The pivotal moment in Margaret Mee's life arrived with her move to Brazil in the 1950s. This decision marked a dramatic shift, a bold step away from the familiar comforts of England to the untamed wilderness of the Amazon. The transition was not without its difficulties. Adapting to a new culture, a new language, and the challenges of living in a remote and sometimes hostile environment required resilience and determination. But it was in this challenging environment that her artistic and scientific passions truly flourished. Her initial forays into the Amazon were filled with both excitement and apprehension. She meticulously documented the flora she encountered, combining her artistic talent with her growing botanical knowledge. She learned to navigate the complex ecosystem, developing a deep respect for the delicate balance of the rainforest. She wasn't just an observer, she became an active participant, immersing herself in the environment, developing a deep understanding of its intricacies. Her early work in the Amazon focused on detailed botanical illustrations, capturing the beauty and complexity of the rainforest's plant life with remarkable accuracy and artistic flair. Over the years, her expeditions became increasingly ambitious, taking her deeper into the rainforest and further into the heart of the Amazonian ecosystem. She faced numerous challenges, including treacherous terrain, unpredictable weather, and the ever-present threat of wildlife. She documented not only the beauty of the plants, but also the threats they faced from deforestation and other human activities. Her work became a powerful testament to the fragility of the Amazon and the urgent need for its conservation. Her artistic style evolved alongside her scientific understanding. Her paintings are not merely botanical illustrations, they are evocative depictions of the Amazonian landscape, capturing the atmosphere, the light, and the spirit of the rainforest. She often incorporated the surrounding environment into her artwork, showing the plants in their natural habitat, creating a sense of place and context that elevated her work beyond mere botanical records. Her paintings are a testament to her deep connection with the Amazon, reflecting her profound respect for the natural world. Margaret Mee's work attracted significant attention, both within the scientific community and among art enthusiasts. Her exhibitions became increasingly popular, drawing audiences captivated by the beauty and scientific accuracy of her work. Her paintings served as a powerful advocacy tool, raising awareness of the environmental challenges facing the Amazon. She became a vocal advocate for rainforest conservation, using her art and her growing reputation to draw attention to the urgent need for environmental protection. Her influence extended beyond the art world, inspiring scientists, conservationists, and policymakers to take action to protect the Amazon's biodiversity. She faced many challenges in her work, including physical dangers in the rainforest, the logistical complexities of her expeditions, and the constant threat of deforestation. These challenges, however, did not deter her. She remained dedicated to her work, driven by a deep passion for the Amazon and a commitment to preserving its unique ecosystem. Her resilience and determination are a testament to her strength of character and her unwavering commitment to her cause. Her contributions extended beyond her artistic and scientific work. She became a mentor to younger artists and scientists, sharing her knowledge and inspiring them to follow in her footsteps. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of environmentalists and artists, reminding us of the importance of protecting the planet's biodiversity. Margaret Mee's life and work are a testament to the power of combining art and science. She demonstrated that art can be a powerful tool for scientific communication and environmental advocacy. Her meticulous botanical illustrations, combined with her evocative landscape paintings, not only documented the beauty of the Amazon, but also served as a powerful call to action, urging us to protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. Her life, a testament to dedication, resilience, and a profound love for the natural world, continues to inspire and resonate with people around the globe. Her later years were marked by continued artistic output and unwavering advocacy for the Amazon. Even as her health declined, she remained committed to her work, leaving behind a rich legacy of art and activism. Her death, though a loss to the world, did not diminish her impact. Her work continues to inspire and educate, reminding us of the importance of protecting the planet's natural wonders. Margaret Mee's legacy extends beyond her individual contributions. She represents a model for those who strive to combine artistic passion with scientific rigor and a deep commitment to environmental conservation. Her life and art serve as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of art, science, and the environment, a message that remains profoundly relevant in today's world. Her story, a blend of artistic brilliance, scientific dedication, and unwavering environmental advocacy, stands as a powerful testament to the transformative power of a life devoted to the pursuit of knowledge and the preservation of the natural world. The vibrant colors of her paintings continue to echo the vibrant life and unwavering spirit of Margaret Mee, a true pioneer in the world of botanical art and environmental conservation. Her legacy lives on, inspiring countless individuals to appreciate and protect the fragile beauty of the Amazon rainforest and the natural world as a whole.